Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. If you're new here, welcome to Making It Up. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's going to be more of like a get ready with me, a little bit more laid back, a little bit more chill, less edited. This is my everyday look, the look that I do basically every day if I'm just working from home or, meeting some friends for lunch, whatever. Nothing special, super easy, very, very quick, and yeah. If you guys want to know how to get this look, then definitely make sure to keep watching. And if you like my videos and you wish to see more, then do not hesitate to subscribe. The subscribe button is right down there. Click it. You won't regret it. Okay, we can start the video now. I like to apply some, well, this isn't chapstick, but it's like a lip booster. It's a hydrating thing. Hydrate my lips. It's important. And then I like to go in with sunscreen. This is my Glossier Invisible Shield sunscreen. It's one of my favorites and I apply it every single day because you should apply sunscreen every single day. And then while this sinks in, I like to go in with the eyes. It's super easy, super simple, so we're going to zoom you in and do that right now. Okay, so honestly, I think the eye part of this, like the eye look, it is the easiest, the simplest. I like to go in normally. It depends on what I have to do, but for most days, I like to go in with a like brownie, warm brown, shimmery shadow. I love this one. This is by this brand. I bought it when I was in Denmark, so yeah, I don't know the brand. And then I also always like to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Ice Latte. It's this beautiful color right here. I love this one, and I've used it for a long time. First, what I like to do is grab this warm tone eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go in with a crown brush, and this is a deluxe blending fluff brush. Looks like this, and I just grab a bit of this on the brush and run it everywhere. I don't even prime my eyes because I don't know, I don't like to do that on the daily. If I'm doing like an intricate eyeshadow look, then I will definitely prime. It's important to prime, but for the everyday look, I don't do that. And then I just like to give everything a blend with a clean brush. And I like to go into the lower lash line as well with this. And then to add a bit more dimension, I go with my L'Oreal Infallible Shadow, which looks like this. It is beautiful. It looks like it's been untouched, but really, it's been very touched. Anyways, I go in with my pinky finger and I just apply this to the center of my lid. Almost like a halo eye, but not quite. It's really subtle actually, but it makes a difference to me. And then I go in with the same thing and do it on the inner corners of the eye. And I love this shadow because it almost makes the look a little like wet. I don't know how to explain that, but it makes it look very editorial and like natural and like ooh, ah. So I like that. So that's it for eyeshadow. Super easy, super simple. And then I go in with my ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in, Honeydew. You guys know I love this. I've talked about it in so many videos. So I'm just gonna do this on my waterline and then we'll move on to mascara. Now that we're looking a lot brighter, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Wake Me Up mascara. Mascara definitely varies. Every day I do a different one, but today I felt like doing this one because it smells like cucumber and it doesn't smell that good anymore. But anyways, we're just gonna apply this to our eyes and yeah. Okay, so now that we're done with this, it is time for the brows. I like to go in with my Anastasia Brow Definer in dark brown and just slightly define my brows because I don't really need that much. And then I go in with a brow gel. You'll see right now. Okay, so now that we've slightly defined the brows, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite products lately, which is the Makeup Forever Brow Gel. This one is clear. Oh my god, guys, this has like little fibers, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell if this will ever focus on this. Okay, it has like little fibers on the wand, and it is incredible. It makes my brows, just look at this. It makes them look super fluffy and full, and oh my god, I love them. I love this eyebrow gel. Okay, and after that, the eye look is done. Super easy, super simple. I told you guys. Let's move on to the face. Okay, so moving on to the face. I moisturized my face before the video, and the sunscreen has sunk in. So I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Stroke Cream. I have a little sample of this, and I'm gonna apply this to all the high points of my face. Oh my god, honestly, this just works amazing. Okay, so after the strobe cream, I like to go in with something that is very lightweight. You guys know I am not a full coverage person most of the time. Definitely, I'm not a full coverage person on the daily. So I like to go in with my Makeup Forever Water Blend. There's a lot of Makeup Forever in this video, but I like them. This foundation is super, super natural looking. It just makes me look super glowy, and it's a little light for me right now, but we'll make it work. You just gotta shake it, and then I'm gonna apply this to my entire face. Okay, so now that that's done, this just evened out my skin a little bit more. I know I still have a red nose and not everything is covered, but it just gave my skin like a nice base, and it made it look a little bit more luminous, and that's what I was going for. So now for a little bit more coverage, I am going in with two concealers. The first one is this VCCC concealer. I got it in Japan, so I don't know where you could get this, but honestly I really like it. And then one of my absolute all-time favorites, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light. And I'm just going to apply these two under my eyes and anywhere that I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, like my nose and my chin. And that's it. Okay, so now that that's done, obviously it's not fully covered, but that is not my goal here. I still like to keep my face looking fairly natural, so if a little bit of darkness shows through, it's fine by me. Now it is time to set. I like to go in with my Cover FX Light Matte Setting Powder. This is only a sample. I like to set my under eyes with a sponge and the rest of my face with a brush. Okay, so now that we're done setting, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. You guys know I love this. It looks super natural on the skin, and that's why I like to wear it on days when I'm not wearing much, because it just makes me look very bronzy but not powdery. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques blush brush for this. Okay, after doing that, I go in with one of my favorite highlighters. This is Be My Highlight by Essence. It is super natural, but it still looks glowy, which I like. It doesn't look super like boom blinding in your face, but it still looks very glowy, and I like that a lot. So I'm gonna apply this to my cheeks. Girl. And then one thing that I like to do, it's a little weird, I like to go in with blush, but instead of putting it on my like cheeks and backwards, I like to hit it like right here. It's weird, I know I'm not like the first person to do it, but still a little weird. Because that just makes me, I don't know, like I have a red nose already, and it makes me look a little sun-kissed. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Celebrated blush, super toned down mellow blush, you know, and I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks first. And then I'll take what's left and pat it here. And it's really subtle, you can't even actually tell, but I like how it looks, so yeah, I go in with this. Okay, so now all that's left to do is lips, and honestly, I change up my lips a lot because this look is super easy, it's super neutral, so some days I go with some gloss or like a stain or something. Other days I like to go in a little bit more dramatic. Today is one of those days. I'm using my Wet n Wild's Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Give Me Mocha liquid lipstick thing, and I really like this color and I really like this formula, so I'm going to apply this to my lips and then the look will be complete. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. Super easy, super simple. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below, and if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot in knowing what you guys want to see and what you don't want to see. And also, if you have any suggestions and videos you want me to film, definitely leave them in the comment section as well. I'd love to know. That is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I love you, and I will see you next week. Mwah. Bye!